you ready to witness the legends of the sky? Forget everything you know about birds. This isn't just a hobby, it's a legacy. From the rooftops of Havana to the top of the YouTube charts, one man has been dominating the game since childhood. Introducing El Moro Pigeon Show! Masterclass knowledge, learned from a pro who started with nothing but split peas and oatmeal and became a master breeder. Long distance warriors watch incredible white homing pigeons defy the odds and fly hundreds of miles to find their way home. The beginner's manual, wanna start your own loft? El Moro breaks it down step by step so you can raise champions from day one. It's about passion, it's about grit, it's about the most skills for the birds in the sky. Don't just watch, join the movement. Join the movement! Join the movement! And smash that subscribe button now. Experience the heart and soul of the pigeon world at the El Moro Pigeon Show.
This is El Moro Pigeon Show. I am your host, El Moro, guys. I love this. I love this new thing that I have. This is for me to stick the birds. This is beautiful. This is for babies to see, you know, the behavior of the birds when they're out flying. Look at this. I love it. This is also to stick birds, you know. They can go in there. They can eat from the ground. I call this grounding the birds. When I rehome, I put them low on the floor like this, you know, because this is why. They get entertained, they can eat from the ground, you know, stuff like that. And also, when I let them go, they're not afraid to go down to the ground. A lot of babies, a lot of birds, they're like a little skeptical to go down. But now they're down here and they know. You know, look at this. And it's big. It's big. Look at this. I love it. It's like a dog cage, like a huge dog cage, but it's not a dog cage. You know? I got to cut the grass. When I cut the grass, I'm going to cut the grass on Thursday. Because it's been cold, but now the grass is growing again, so I'm going to cut it. All right. I love it, just sharing, sharing. They have views, they can they can see everywhere. I have something to put on top in case, you know, it's too much sun out. These are two little babies that I have. I don't know if I keep them or sell them. They're Spanish powders, they're nice. All right, just sharing, guys. This is to rehome birds. I use this to rehome birds. I love it. I love it. And guess who got this for me? My wife. My wifey. My wife got this for me. First time there, we were scared to go out. All right, guys. Just a little video just to show you this. There's got a door over here, look. Got a door right here on top. It's got a door over there, right there. That's the door. There's another door over here. Right there. And it's got another door in the front right here. Yeah. All right. Okay. Just sharing, guys. Just sharing.
Welcome to the El